Ito next product na ipresent ko sa inyo, it has 2K display. It has LTE. It is equipped with Kids Care, so your kids won't browse just anywhere online, as well as a 6nm processor from Qualcomm. All of this for just $9,999. Want to know more? I'll let you know after this quick intro. This is me, Rich of Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you one of the budget tablet that I feel has everything that I need for my family. And I'm talking about the all-new HUAWEI MatePad SE 10.4. Now guys, itong tablet na to comes in 3 variants. The 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage with an LTE is only priced at $9,999 together with a free folio case. Then there's the 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage that is Wi-Fi only, also is coming at $9,999. And there's a higher variant at 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. This one comes at $13,999 and it comes with a free folio case as well. Tara, simulan natin with a quick unboxing. MatePad SE 10.4. This one comes with a folio cover, which is also free together when you buy this one. We're gonna take this plastic seal off. So we're gonna slice it open. Sliding it out, we have the MatePad SE folio cover. And the other one is, of course, your MatePad SE 10.4. All we need to do is just open it on the side. Then, voila. So how to find apps? This is the app gallery. And we'll teach you how to install the Gbox a little bit later. So pulling this tab, let's remove the plastic. And this is how it looks like for the HUAWEI MatePad SE. Checking some stuff inside the box. We have your 10 watts charging brick. We have your SIM ejector pin. We have a user guide over here. The warranty card is here. And the Type-C cable. So let's open this one. Open the tab. Looks nice, premium. And here's the hole for the camera module. Well, it also serves as a tripod. Basically, you can use it like this to stand. So all you need to do is just fold this one inside. So basically, you have yourself a tablet holder. So let me give you a quick tour. On top, we have your audio jack, speaker grills over here. Then we also have your power button and your volume rocker here. Then here's the microphone. Then underneath, we have your speaker grills again. Then there's your Type-C port and of course your SIM tray. On the other side, it's pretty clear. Opening. Basically, we have 1 nano SIM plus 1 micro SD support for this one. At the back, we have your camera module. Deep black color, really looks nice. So guys, nakita nyo na ang full unboxing nito HUAWEI MatePad SE 10.2 and I can see yung kind of free folio case is nice. Very premium ang feel and I have the color blue over here. It's more of a dark blue, navy blue and I like it just the way it is. Sobrang dali lang niya gawin maging tablet stand. All you need to do is just fold it inside. Well, basically, meron ka ng tablet stand. Instant tablet stand. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa tablet na ito is symmetrical ang kanyang bezel. So, makita mo ang mga bezel niya is pare-pareho. Hindi mas makapal ang gilid, hindi mas makapal ang baba. But this one looks like a TV. Pareho ang kanyang frame. And of course, swiping left and right is smooth dahil sa kanyang 6nm chip na processor from Qualcomm, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. And itong tablet na ito scored a decent 177,000 points dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. Not bad din ang kanyang score here sa Geekbench. Good news guys, this one has a Wi-Fi security level na level 1. So meaning, pwede ka manood ng mga HD dito sa tablet na ito. And it's just simply perfect kasi meron siyang 2K display dito sa tablet na ito. And guys, itong HUAWEI MatePad SE comes equipped with a spacious na 10.4-inch na display size. 2K ang kanyang display, eye comfort, and definitely meron siyang full view display ni HUAWEI. And probably this is the only 2K display na alam ko, no, at its price range, $9,999. Ilan 9 sinabi ko? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama, $9,999. Not even the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 come close to this one. And guys, itong tablet ito, meron siyang TUV Rainland na low blue light certificate. So meaning, hindi siya stressful sa inyong mata even when you're using it for long hours dahil sa sunod-sunod ang iyong meeting or of course, binge watching kayo with your whole family. ng mga Korean novela or just simply watching Disney Plus on this tablet, okay, it's certified. And ang kanyang screen to body ratio is around 83%. So meaning halos manipis ang kanyang bezel for its category. And itong tablet nito is weighing at around 440 grams. So plastic ang kanyang side and plastic ang kanyang likod. I'm not quite sure kung anong glass protection na meron dito sa harap, but I'm pretty sure it's scratch resistant. And so itong tablet ito comes with several features na wala sa ibang tablet. So it has the super device na function, meaning all of your Huawei devices pwede mo i-connect dito using the super device. So all you need to do is just simply drop down. Kita mo dito, no? Meron siyang super device. And so far, nakakonect sa akin is ang aking Huawei Soundjoy. Pwede ko rin connect ang aking Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and as well as aking other Huawei devices like the Mate 50 Pro. It's very easy to interlink all of your Huawei devices. So what's nice dito sa kanya is that it has multi-window view. So what you can do is on one side, you're watching YouTube video. On the other side, you're scrolling on your social media. So you can do everything simultaneously on this tablet. It's very, very easy for multitasking. So by the way, guys, this tablet is running on Harmony OS 3.0. There's a lot of new function on this one, like stackable widgets and of course, grouping all of your apps together in one folder and resizable folder. This one is a very nice function here on the Harmony OS 3. And you can even resize your folder according to what you need. And for the kids corner, there's a lot of things that you can do here, like play some games, learn some new stuff for your kids. And what's nice is that everything's here on Azumi. So there are some certain paid apps here, but most of them are just simply free. And you can, of course, access it here in Azumi. And also there's a parental control here wherein you can set the duration and application control for healthy habits of your kid, not to overuse the tablet. Here's what I'm saying, the parental control, everything you can navigate here. Choose what apps your kids can use and accept or reject new friend requests from whoever. And what's important for me is this one, the online safety for my kids. Kasi everything is already online. So we have to protect our kids to make sure that they are safe. Hindi sila maloloko ng mga manloloko. Now guys, one of the most important function here is the split screen. So what you can do is that on one side, you're using your Zoom meeting and on the other side, you're just simply reading the article that your teacher asked you to use. Now, did you know guys that the Huawei App Gallery is the third largest app gallery in the world? And everything you want to download is probably here on this app gallery. And downloading apps on the Huawei App Gallery is a lot smoother than before. Let me show you. Let's say I want to download Google Drive. All I need to do is just simply type Google Drive. Okay, so click install. Then it will prompt you. The following app needed to be installed to run Google Drive. Gbox. And this Gbox would enable you to use the Google apps that you use the most. All you need to do is just install. Okay, you'll see that Google Drive is installing. Then a little bit later, okay, 100%, just type Gbox. You'll see that Gbox is also installing. There. Once it's installed, you're done. Go outside and you'll see your Google Drive here and Gbox is here. On the older version of the Gbox, you'll see a G logo beneath the Google Drive, but this time around, no more. Let's try another one. YouTube. Install. Okay. Right now it's installing. No more G logo. So let's just try Drive. Okay, just simply need to allow of this at first. Then it will initialize. Then you'll be able to use all the Google apps that you need here on the Huawei MatePad SE 10.4. Then you simply need to sign in and that's it. Let's see YouTube. Initializing. There you go. Let's try any shorts here. It's working. Now, itong tablet to has two basic camera, 5MP sa likod and 2MP sa harap. So, here are some photos na nakuha ko using the rear camera. It's just very basic, very average. You don't really expect too much from its camera, but probably taking some documents to send to your teacher on Zoom or on taking some photos to send on Messenger, I guess it's pretty fair enough. And of course, the 2MP camera is just simply right for Zoom meetings or just taking some quick selfies. Not really the best selfie camera I've seen on a tablet. So this is the front camera of the HUAWEI MatePad SE 10.4. And the video that you'll be getting when you're using a Zoom for just simple Viber chat or just simple for vlogging, this is the exact resolution at 1080p and 30 FPS. And the audio is recorded using the default microphone. Thoughts? Share it on the comment section below. Itong tablet na ito is being powered by 5,100 mAh of battery, and it is supported with a 10 watts charger. Charging from, well, of course, 10 to 100 takes roughly 2.5 hours to complete. Now, after testing it dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test, this one can hold up to roughly 8 hours of screen on time. And on my daily average usage, itong tablet na ito can at least hold me for 1 whole day of usage without a problem. And what's nice about dito sa tablet na ito is that meron siyang LTE. So, pwede mong kapitan ng SIM card para, well, anywhere you go, you have internet connection. And another thing na okay dito sa kanya is that expandable yung kanyang storage, meaning you can put a micro SD card as well on this one. Watching some videos here on this tablet is definitely good kasi, well, it's basically designed to do so. And playing the game Call of Duty Mobile dito sa tablet ito, sinet ko sa a little bit lower the graphical settings. I was able to play through the game for half an hour. Okay naman siya, no? Don't expect too much nga lang. And what's nice dito sa kanya stereo speaker is okay. Loud enough naman siya for me. But if you're not convinced with the sound dito sa tablet na ito, the kind of stereo surround sounds, you can always use a, of course, TWS like this one I'm using, the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 2. Guys, what can I say about itong tablet ito? Definitely it's good for the whole family. I can say na ginagamit ito ni Bunso or using ni Kuya, me, or even my wife, everybody can use this without a problem. And of course, I can set yung time limit for my kids para hindi sila mag-overwatching. And this one even has 2K display, so definitely smooth sa mata. And of course, meron din siyang TUV Rainland na low blue light certification. So I'm not really afraid na gamitin ng anak ko to for Zoom for half a day. I'm not really afraid kasi it's certified nga. And all of this for $9,999, well, I can say it's pretty much affordable. So guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. Guys, ano tingin nyo dito sa HUAWEI MatePad SE 10.4? Do you like it? Would you buy one of these for your whole family para sa entertainment, for learning, and probably doing some office works? Let me know on the comment section below. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na yung bell icon para di nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So, ako pala si Rismon, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?